Hangzhou Linan Shinran Solar Equipment Company Limited is a company focusing on the design, production, and sales of cylinder non-standard industrial production line. This video shows the LPG gas cylinder production line launched by our company. Specifically, guard ring automatic production line, foot ring automatic production line, and circumferential seam welding at both ends. The production line has the advantages of high automation, high production capacity, and labor cost saving. If you are interested in our products, you can contact us, and our expert team will provide the most suitable non-standard industrial products according to your needs.